I'm here. I'm here. I didn't forget. It's Walkthrough Wednesday. Hey everyone, Jack here for another Walkthrough Wednesday, another tutorial for you. Has this ever happened to you? You've gone to a beautiful location, snapped an absolutely great photo, but 5, 10, half an hour, maybe an hour later, something is wrong with the shot. You've found something, a little detail in the shot that you do not like, and you're wondering, how am I gonna fix that? What if I told you I had an easy fix for you? Interested? Well, how are we gonna do that? Let's open up Photoshop. Okay, so we've got Photoshop opened up. We're gonna open up a new file. This is the thumbnail you'll see right here. And if you can see right in the middle here, this is where we're gonna remove the person. Well, this is the person we're gonna remove. We'll zoom in, and we're gonna use the lasso tool right here, third one down, and we're gonna start putting this line across. I'm gonna draw the line. Come on. There we go. Awesome. So now that that's all done, we're gonna hit the delete button right there, and we're gonna make sure it's on content aware right here. Okay, so if we zoom out right now, it looks patchy in places, but we're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna go to the clone stamp tool. If you hit S, and we're gonna hit Alt on one of the places here, and we're just gonna fill this little bit right now. It's a bit better. I'm gonna do the same thing on these two other patches. Awesome. Just gonna clean it up a touch more down at the bottom here. Awesome. Is there any more else to do? No, we're gonna come out of that right now. I'm just gonna tidy up one or two little bits just to make it a little more visually appealing, just so these lines are automatically on show right there. Just clean that up a little bit. I'm gonna zoom out, and from afar it looks 1,000 times better now, I think. So right in the middle there, that's awesome. Just gonna zoom back in for a second just to have a look. So from afar you can't see it too much, but when you really zoom in, that's where you can see it from. Additionally, you can use this clone stamping technique, but I'm going to show you guys that in a different video. But you can use this technique to delete multiple people from your photos. I hope this has helped, guys. And there you have it, a good easy fix to make sure you remove all those little pesky little details that you find undesirable from your photos. Be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure to check out my other videos as well. I'll see everyone next time. See ya!